Are you facing or experiencing homelessness? We are the Solace Community, and our mission is to break the cycle of homelessness, one person at a time. We are pleased to let you know that after hours, you can now call our new Crisis Connect after hours service. By using this service, our operators can help you to acquire assistance, either through us or other local services. Crisis Connect is available Tuesday through Sunday from 6 p.m. until midnight. Call 0121 318 9997. We are the Solace Community, and we are here to break the cycle of homelessness, one person at a time. Call us today.